Java 8 revolutionized the way we write code with several powerful features. First up, Lambda expressions allow us to express instances of single-method interfaces more concisely, making our code cleaner and more readable. Then we have functional interfaces, which are the backbone of functional programming in Java, enabling us to pass behavior as parameters. The Streams API is a game changer, allowing us to process sequences of elements in a functional style, making data manipulation more intuitive. Default and static methods in interfaces let us add new functionality without breaking existing implementations, enhancing code flexibility. The optional class helps us avoid null pointer exceptions by providing a container that may or may not hold a value. Method references simplify the syntax of Lambda expressions, making our code even more elegant. The new Date and Time API in the java.time package offers a comprehensive and user-friendly way to handle dates and times. Collectors and streams provide powerful reduction operations, allowing us to accumulate elements into collections easily. Parallel streams enable us to leverage multi-core architectures, improving performance for large data sets. Lastly, Java 8 brought significant API improvements across collections, I/O, NIO, and concurrency, making our development experience smoother and more efficient. Dive into these features to elevate your Java skills.